Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do chicken skewers, or chicken Souvlaki, however you want to look at it. I got Souvlaki seasoning I'm going to be using for it, so chicken Souvlaki it is. I'm going to walk you guys through it on how I do it. You guys can do it the same, or if you have your own way, go for it. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe. Love to have you join the team. We have boneless, skinless chicken breast. Let's just trim it up, clean it up, get that fat off of there. There we go. Show you guys this quick. Trim the fat because you don't want it. Well, if you do want it, you can leave it, but most just trim the fat off. And there we go, like so. Fat's trimmed. These ones aren't bad, not much fat on them. Now what we want to do is try and keep these so that they're all going to be roughly and around the same size. So just slice. Slice. Make sure you got a nice sharp knife so you cut through it nicely. Once you got strips cut out, just get rid of that one little piece there. Now once you got your strips cut out like this, cube it up. Whatever size cubes you want. Just try and keep them all same size, more or less, so they cook evenly. And that one will leave like that. Then we're just going to throw them in our Ziploc bag, just like that. I'm going to get the rest of my chicken breast finished up here, cubed up into the bag, and I'll show you after that what the next step is. Next step, we got some marinade seasoning mixed up. As you can see, this is just 2 cups of water, and I've got this nice Souvlaki seasoning. I've added 3 tablespoons into my 2 cups of water. If you're doing this yourself at home, use whatever seasoning you want to use. If you want to use a Souvlaki seasoning, go for it. If you make your own, all the power to you, even better. Now just pour it into the bag. Just like that. Get that out of the way. I fold the bag over so I don't get the zip part exposed to anything, so it doesn't give me an issue or whatnot. And then just get all the air out of it as best as you can. There we go. So that's all in there and sealed. So now that's going to marinate in the fridge for the better part of the day until I'm ready to put it on the skewers and get it out on the barbecue. So I got to put this in the fridge now, let this marinate, and we'll pick back up later on. So once your chicken has been marinating for, I'd say minimum an hour, mine's been 5 hours now in the refrigerator, it's time to start getting these ready. So reach in, grab a piece, stick it on the skewer. That's all we're going to be doing. Skewering the chicken. Just like so. Show you again. Just like this. There we are. So I'm going to finish getting these all skewered up off camera, and we'll pick back up when we're ready to put these on the pit boss. The pit boss is up to temp. 225 is what we're cooking out here today. Here's our nice chicken skewers, Souvlaki skewers. Let's get them on there. This is real easy to do. Anybody can do it. Just takes a little bit of time with the marinating. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward and easy. There we go. We got everything on the grill. Look-see. So now we're gonna just let this roll at 225 degrees. And I'll show you guys in on this in about 20 minutes. Close that lid down and let it roll. Well, half an hour's gone by. I know I said probably 20 minutes we'll check, but half an hour, 10 minutes later, here's what we're looking at. We're still maintaining at 225 on the control panel. We're just gonna give this a flip over. Just gonna flip them all over, that's it. Now wear a glove because these sticks are hot, unless you're using wooden sticks. If you're using wooden sticks, then you won't have to worry about burning your fingers with a metal stick. I prefer metal sticks over wooden sticks, but to each their own. Depends on what I'm doing, I guess. Sometimes I do prefer the wooden sticks, especially when I'm doing it over charcoal, because then it's easier to clean up due to the fact you just take the wooden stick and into the charcoal. Away it goes, it burns, turns to ash, which saves you on cleanup. There we are, all flipped over. We're gonna let this roll probably another 15-20 minutes and it's probably done. So we'll pick back up once these are finished. Take a look at them. Another 20 minutes has passed since the last time. Let's take a look. And there's what we're looking at. These look like they're done. Let's get a temp reading. 50, 51. Let's take one from here. 58, 60. 41. 51. These are done. I'm gonna get these pulled off, let them rest a few minutes, and we'll bite into one and see what we got. This is after 10 minutes of resting. There we go. Nice and cool. Easy to handle now. Not burning fingers. Tear it off. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. So we get down here and give a taste on this. Cheers, guys. The seasoning is very good. I enjoy it. Please don't ask me what's in it because I'm not sure. I didn't make the seasoning, I bought it. So I couldn't even tell you what's in it. I just bought it in bulk. So it's just labeled as Souvlaki seasoning. Not sure exactly what's in it. Give me another piece. But it's good. You guys go ahead and do this yourself. Don't have to use that seasoning. Season it the way you want. Try and find a Souvlaki seasoning on your own. Maybe you know your own homemade Souvlaki seasoning. Go for it. Knock yourself out. You guys won't regret it. Awesome cook. Kids are going to love this. You guys know what to do now. Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.